fiber optic wheel liner kit was by far the biggest attention grabber at this year's SEMA show. Typically, you'll see this type of star lighting effect in custom interior applications such as upholstery and headliner. We've taken this a step further with a kit to add this head turning effect to your wheel liners, and as you can see, this adds a unique pop of color to the wheel wells. The kit includes 4 individual color shift LED light engines, which each illuminate 150 strands of fiber optic cable to create a beautiful starscape in your dark wheel wells.